Y'all, if you've watched my channel before, you know that I have an obsession, some would say unhealthy obsession, with Bluetooth portable speakers. And today I got something I want to show you guys from Turtlebox. It's brand new. We're going to take it out the box. We're going to check it out. But before we do, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it. All right, before we open this box, let me tell you real quick, this is the Turtlebox. This thing's supposed to be one of the best outdoor speakers on the market. It's supposed to be the Yeti of outdoor speakers. Built tough, waterproof, all of the good stuff. Let's open this thing up. I know it comes boxed very nicely. I know that's something they worked on. It looks like any other modern tech. Very nicely packaged. Good catch. We have the battery charger here, and don't lose your battery charger. It is proprietary. I know it puts out a little bit higher voltage than any of your other chargers, so it'll charge a little faster. Let's get into this thing. Here it is, the Turtlebox. So we've got the Turtlebox, the charger, and inside this little envelope, let's see. Of course, they got to give you some stickers, got to give you some swag. Everybody can appreciate that. Tips and tricks. Tells you what to do around water with it. Let's go ahead and take this thing down to the pool. I'm going to throw this brand new $400 speaker into the water. I'm a little scared about that, but let's go do it. This thing's right out the box. We're gonna chunk this thing in the pool first thing. Why not? Let's turn it on, let's get some tunes. Now we can take it upstairs and do a proper review. Yes, it's still wet. I legitimately threw a brand new speaker right out the box into my swimming pool. So this thing is fully watertight. It is good for 1 meter at a half an hour. It can be submerged. So about 3 feet for a half an hour. It really and truly is watertight, as long as this back is closed. There's even a sticker here on the back that tells you, note, speaker is not waterproof if port cover is open. Listen for the double click. Let's go ahead and take that sticker off. This thing has, let's see, this thing's got a USB-C. It's got an aux in, an aux out. It's also got a 1/4 inch input for a speaker or some, a microphone or something. So once that's closed, it is indeed waterproof. So let's talk about the specs on this thing. This thing's got 25 plus hours of listening at an easy listening volume. At wide open, it'll get about 6. So I think wide open generally is going to be a little bit obnoxious. This thing is supposed to be good for 120 decibels, which we will test that here very shortly. But this thing is truly built like a tank. Man, my table's all wet. Guess that's what I get for bringing a speaker right out the pool. into the house. Now this thing's got a 6x9 speaker. It's got a 1-inch dome right in the middle. It will pair two of them together to be used in stereo. Now one of the things I really do like about this is there is no app. I can turn this thing on and use my phone to control it. I don't have to go to a third-party app. And I gotta say, I love that. So what we're gonna do now, man, this thing's still dripping water everywhere. What we're gonna do now is set it up. I'm gonna play a song. I'm gonna play it in its entirety so you guys can hear it if you want to. If not, feel free to skip ahead. And I'm also gonna do some, get some dB measurements on it and get the decibels and see what it's actually playing at.
I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell. I won't shiver, I won't shake. I'm made of stone, I don't break. Start me up, open my eyes, turn me loose and you'll see why. I was born ready. I was born ready. Staring at the pressure now. I won't quit, not backing down. I was born ready. I was born ready. Pushing up higher, higher, keep pushing up. Start me up, open my eyes, turn me loose and you'll see why. I was born ready. I was born ready. Staring at the pressure now. I won't quit, not backing down. I was born ready. I was born ready. My eyes turn me loose, and you'll see why. I was born ready. I was born ready.
If you watched all the way through, you saw that this thing did indeed max out over 120 decibels. And I'll tell you, it is really clear, good sound coming out of this thing. It didn't distort. Now it doesn't have a whole lot a whole lot of punch to it, but it's definitely got enough to enjoy the music. I have no complaints with how this thing sounds. So I have a link in the description below. You can get all kind of different color speakers. This one was in stock, so I went ahead and bought this one, and I really do like it, guys. This thing's gonna be tough. I love the stainless steel tie downs on the side. If you wanted to strap this down to the front of your four-wheeler or in your boat or whatever the case may be, just to throw it around, be able to beat it up, this thing's gonna take it. The only other speaker I have that I've compared it with this one is my Soundbox Go. And the big difference between those two is the Soundbox Go is just rainproof and sprayproof. You can't put it underwater like you can this one. So this one's definitely gonna have the advantage in that area. But I will be doing a video soon putting those two speakers against each other. Now I did see that Turtlebox is releasing a larger speaker, and that would probably be a bit more comparable to the Soundbox Go. But as far as this one goes, man, it's really cool. It's about half the size of that Soundbox. This is weighing it at 10 pounds, so it's not a super lightweight speaker, but it is easily portable. The handle is really nice on it, the molded rubber handle. Now, as far as the controls, they're easy enough. It's got a power button, a up and down volume button, and it's got a little chime to let you know when it's wide open. You can go to the next skip track, reverse track, Bluetooth button, and a Bluetooth pairing button. Now, it also has a battery indicator. It's got 5 lights on it, and it'll kind of let you know where the battery's at. So if you are indeed charging your phones or something through the jack in the back, it'll let you know you do indeed have the power. So guys, y'all go check them out. This is Turtlebox. This is something I'm gonna use a lot. I really do like it. And y'all saw this thing floating. In fact, it was funny, it was floating away from me. I had to go grab my hook to get it back. But it plays in the water. It's gonna be hard to beat. This thing's tough. I love it. Sounds great. Y'all look them up. I got it in the description. Until next time, guys, I'll see y'all on Everyday Man.